Hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel and this is Lani's Vlog.
And for this video, ang gagawin namin is mukbang pancit canton plus 4 boiled egg plus Q&A plus speak in English challenge. So ayun, susulitin na namin ang pagsasalita ng Tagalog ngayon kasi
Mamaya, bawal na.
pero guys talaga, hindi talaga kami totally magaling mag-English and try lang namin yung best namin. Diba? Bawal.
Yes. Hindi talaga kami sanay mag-English kasi
Pagpasensyahan nyo na yung isasagot namin sa mga
kasi
question
hindi naman
nyo.
kami mga professional sa
Oo.
English. So,
Tawanan nyo na kami kung tatawanan nyo na kami.
oo, tama.
So ayun guys,
Enjoy lang guys.
ready na akong kumain ng pancit canton at magsagot ng question nyo. Ikaw mo una magsagot.
Ay! Kakain na muna. Tanong mo na ba? Tanong mo na.
So yun guys, start na kami.
Sisimulan na natin siya ngayon in 3, 2, 1, go! Yo, for
So,
the first question.
Question.
I'm so nervous because the first question is come from Byron. What is the meaning of love in your own opinion?
You first.
You first, ladies first. And maybe ladies choice.
I don't, okay. For my opinion is love is love.
Oh my God! Wow!
Wait! Love is, for me, love is like education that you need to treasure the person for all, like education because you need to understand, you need to study hard for the person that came into your life. Sorry for my English. To be honest, I'm not good in English, but I understand English. So very spicy.
Oh, for me,
Kayo ba? Remix!
so ayan, for me,
Kaya yung English ko,
because the meaning of love for me is
love is blind.
I agree.
What the fuck?
Hindi, hello?
Bakit? You agree. Love is blind.
I agree with what my girlfriend said, that is love is like education, because you will know there is like mathematics. If you have a problem, you need to solve it. You will find the x.
You will find your ex?
No.
No.
I'm telling that is you need to find the missing
Person. The true person.
true person.
Yes. Not because the ex is the ex.
Yes.
The Y is the Y.
And guys, the second question came from LJ Garrido.
What is
What
your question?
has been the happiest moment of your life up until now?
I
You
think
first.
always me. I think when I live in
Oh my God! Wow!
2000 September 28, 2001 until now, because I've always here and not die.
What?
It's my happiness because because I'm healthy right now, I'm still alive and not die.
Paano masabi?
May my happiest moment up till now is when we meet each other in the San Roque.
Yeah.
Damn! Damn!
Yes.
Because it's the time for our love.
For our relationship.
Yes.
For me, this is the second, or I will give it the happiest moment in my life. When I go to her house
Oh,
to know
my parents.
her parents to be legalized
Oh my God!
to be legalized with
Sorry,
in our relationship. Sorry for our
speaking English.
speaking in English because we are not professional in English. So sorry.
Yes, sorry, I understand.
So I hope you understand what we are saying now. And
The
the next one, the third one came from my classmate Maria Jeline Beramo. What if one of you got cheated? Do you still believe in second chance?
Yes, I believe in a second chance because if you love the person, not always forgive him, but I think he do her best to change herself for you. That's why you need to give him second chance.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
For me, I think yes.
Why?
Because we are not here now because we are in she gave me a second chance.
Yes.
Just that I believe that there is a second chance because if you love the person, you need to change your life, you need to change everybody.
Your mistake.
Your mistake is you need to change it.
Because all people in the world are not perfect.
Yes.
That's why you need to give chance to others.
But you need you do not give more chance like
For other.
for he's doing like you are stupid. Yes, that is very that is very tough for us kasi because
some people abuse us to give more chance, then do it again.
people
Broken your heart
yeah,
again.
in Philippines there is a lot of
People, endangered people.
mistake.
Charot.
There's a lot of mistake that he's saying that I love her, but in a few months, they're going break up. And when they're getting break up and what do you call that?
Next
They are
next question.
I'm not finished what I'm talking about. I will be the first.
Fourth question.
Yes, is came from John Sparrow. What's your greatest fear? My greatest fear is to when my family is getting lost. I think when my family knock on the door and die, that's my greatest fear. I know that is
All people
will die, but
all people with that greatest fear to die.
yes.
I'm scared to die, but
But I'm not for me I'm not scared to die
why?
because
Charot.
that if
It's
the,
your time
yes,
to die. Charot.
it's your time.
It's
It's
your time.
your time. Just kidding.
Wow, it's a air.
This is my greatest fear, to lose my family
Yes.
and to lose her family also. This is my greatest fear.
Me too. I agree for that.
And every day we are saying that that our earth will be fine soonly, and it's all. You turn.
Wait.
You turn.
Yes, I turn.
I turn.
I
Turn
turn
around.
around. Well, my greatest fear is are are when I'm not achieve my goal in life. I'm fear of that because all of my family is are 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 believing my talent
With talent. His talent.
and goal in life. That's why I'm fear for that to fail my future, my goal.
He is he is she is afraid to commit a mistakes.
Yes.
But there are a lot of person that saying that
Saying that.
no, you
You need to
de,
ano ba?
you don't afraid to commit a mistake, because
But always do your best.
always all the mistakes will be correct. So just eat it. Oh no!
I'm so sorry for
Oh no!
my grammar.
We are not professional.
Yes. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Charot.
Okay, this is I don't know if this is fifth or sixth. And this question is came from Nix de Villares and saying that how much you love each other. This is
So much.
how much you love each other. The love is not talking about all month. This love is not talking about money. If you love the person, just love him, but don't love him because of her money.
Love him because
Love him because you love
you love
him.
him. I love you, you love me.
Because when you love the person
You
because
love
of
a
her
person.
money,
It's not love.
that is not love. That is corruption. No, just a kidding, just a kidding.
It's
I
love.
will eat the pancit canton
In the Philippines.
in the Philippines.
Pancit
In
canton.
Korean,
Yang.
samyang.
Yung
In Philippines, pancit canton.
it's special pancit canton, guys.
Her turn. About this question,
What's that?
what is your what is
I
your
agree for your answer. I agree for that.
what?
Yes.
You don't
I love
have
you.
to
I
say.
love you very much.
Uh,
But I think it's not based for what I said only I love you.
Yeah.
I know you feel it and you feel it more.
Yeah. And the last one is
What is the last one?
came from her
Sister.
Ja Ilanan. How do you control between love life, studies, and a responsibilities as a daughter and son? You first, ladies
Okay.
first.
And what's the question I didn't
How do
understand?
you control?
How do you control between love life, study, and responsibility? I think I can manage my time for this situation because I can handle it.
Um, for me,
I control myself.
yeah. For me,
I'm not wasting my time for
Other things.
other things.
For me, my responsibilities in study and love life, there is separation because you need to have a time management. There's a time of your love, there's a time in your studies
Yes.
because you are not multitasking. You cannot do any. You can do in a two-way.
Mm.
You cannot do studies and love life in one in 1 hour. That's difficult, man. Uh, you need to
You
have
need,
a time management
and
because
you need to always understand your partner.
yes,
If they do him assignment or what in the school.
yeah, and do your responsibilities and love your family.
Yes, always love your
Always
family.
love your family. There is some mistake, just correct it. And we are doing it again. And comment down below if you want to have a suggestion. We are doing your challenge.
Yes. Sorry for the grammar,
The
guys.
grammar that we are talking about. Because we
So very
are
so very hard to speak in English.
No, we are nervous.
Yes.
In short, we are nervous, guys. And we need to shout out. There's
Yes,
a lot of
the
shout out
shout-out.
in.
Me first.
Yeah.
To
I will
shout.
give you
Yes.
the shout out first.
So, shout out
To
Joshua Miano, Mark Cyrus Aresca, Drax Gaming, Joseph Sabuco, Jasmine Ilanan, Michelle Arisga, Malu Dabu, Jerica May Albesa, Heidi May Mahinay, Byron Evangelista, Jonas Espero,
where?
this.
Michelle Arisga, Gil Geronimo, Lay Hungaya, Van Constantino, Savannah Arquilita, Marison Pilayo, Danny Boy, Christian Kamay, Nika Galvez, Jamela Pelomina, April Cabanban, Eliza Ferrer, Riza Rose Pantilag,
Jacob
Kishmay Mantila, Jacob
Quisha May Mantila.
Kisha May Mantila, Jacob Morales Balala, John Paul Lobrio, Ara. And
Thank you for always supporting us.
And we are 400 subscribers!
Bada bop boom pow.
And
Thank you.
it's a
Thank you
pleasure
so-
to have a like that. That's 400. We are not oh my god. We are not
Speaking Tagalog.
No. The challenge is
It's the
not
challenge.
done.
It's not done on.
Yeah, it's not done.
Thank you for always
Supporting
there
us.
for us and supporting.
We are not expected 400
Yes.
subscribers
In 1 month.
In
and
1 month.
Half?
No,
Half?
always 1 month.
1 month only.
1 month.
Okay.
And that is very
So blessed.
So
So
blessed. We
blessed.
are so blessed that my friends is supporting us,
And the other people.
and my classmate, her classmate, your best friend, my best friend. And thank you.
Why don't have water? It's so very spicy.
It's okay. There's a lot of fun.
Hot and spicy.
It's okay.
I have more. And you.
I will eat this in front of you.
Sili. So, hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So yummy.
I think there is a lot of water here. Wait.
Wait, where's the water?
Oh, we have a water here.
So hot.
Yeah. Okay, guys, thank you for the support, and this challenge will end now. The challenge is end.
So guys, hindi talaga ako nakapagsalita kasi I'm totally talaga magaling sa English or what. Pero it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Basta nakakaintindi ka ng English, pero nakakapagsalita rin naman.
Tsaka
Siguro
try and try.
Ninervous lang ganun.
Try and
kasi.
try lang. So yun guys, thank you sa pagsuporta sa amin palagi, and don't forget to
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And pindutin nyo na rin yung notification bell para always kayong update sa aming ilalabas na panibagong video.
Bye-bye!